All right, I have the Swiffer Duster 3-foot dusting kit right here. I'm going to be opening this up and then using this to clean up some dust that needs dusting, if that makes any sense. All right, so right here it says it traps and locks the dirt and the bristles, and it's heavy duty, okay? So it says with AVEC Swiffer Duster, okay? I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and I'm going to show you how to assemble this and put this away and actually use this. All right, it can be complicated, so bear with me. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and pull it out of the glove. Oh, see, look, it came off right here. I did not do it properly, which is okay because I'm going to show you how to actually insert one of these dusters inside of it. So it comes with a couple of these in here. I think there's 3 dusters in here. I'm just going to knock those onto the floor as well as the packaging. And if you look on the packaging, it actually shows you how this works to a degree. It says 360 degrees of specialty coated fibers. These are the fibers that are on here. Grab, dust, and don't let go. All right, so right here it shows things that you can dust, such as the top of a ceiling fan, and then right here is a television. I'm going to be dusting quite a few things with this. So you were supposed to open it like that, which I did not. It comes a little bit more instructions right here. We'll go around this a little bit. It says hold, okay, you hold them, and then you fluff, and then you attach the fixer. So this is the fixer. This is what you're supposed to hold and fluff, okay. It says remove when dirty. Now, these things can be complicated with putting on, so I'm gonna try to go over it very simple with you all right, so right here, it says fluff it, whatever that's supposed to mean. I'm gonna take this, and if you look on there, there is a place where you can insert this into. So you're gonna find it, the hole right here. It's the first time, it may be a little bit difficult, but once you get used to it, it'll be like a walk in the park. All right, go ahead and slide it inside, just like that. Once you slide it inside, remove all the packaging, which I probably should have done ahead of time. And it is in there and it is ready to be dusted. So I'm gonna fluff it a little bit, and then I'm gonna go to some areas and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I dust really quickly. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take this. All right, so there it is. And so you basically just take this and then you find areas and you just dust just like that. Now with this right here, it actually bends so you can get to different you can access different things. Just simply press this button on the side and it clicks in and it goes to an angle right there. I believe that is a 45-degree angle right here, which is good for if you have to get on the side. I don't know why you do that. And one thing I like about this is the extension pole that this has. It allows you to get reach, especially if your arms are the length of your arms are, you're at a disadvantage because they're not as long. It allows you to extend this right here, and you can get to areas to where you can get and dust. All right, so say for instance, you're not tall enough, you can use that thing right there and you can dust up there. Pretty cool. So this is the Swiffer Duster right here. I hope it was helpful, for me going over this with you. And when you're done, you just simply go ahead and pull that off and discard of it once it gets too dirty. All right, so this is the Swiffer Duster right here. All right, heavy duty. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.